Hello friends, I am Prashant Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sociocritic. Today let us discuss about another model question paper of SSLC Social Science. So this year we are facing multiple choice question paper. So let us see the sixth paper we are discussing today. Only 2 days left. 1 day left. Actually tomorrow only one. Day after tomorrow you have to face the exam. So first question in the sixth model question paper. Which of the following European nations was the foremost attempt to discover a new sea route to India? Means who came last among the Europeans? So that is Dutch, Portugal, France, Britain. Actually Portugal came first and France or French last. Okay, option C, France is the answer. The person who revolted against the British in Multan was Mulraj, Chatta Singh Atariwala, Gulab Singh, Ranjit Singh. So it is at Multan, option A, Mulraj. Mulraj of Multan. Question number 3. Every Indian is corrupt. Who said this? Charles Wood, Macaulay, Cornwallis, Robert Clive. So it is option C, Cornwallis. Okay. Yeah. Next question. He made attempt to capture Kittur. Who made attempt to capture Kittur? Wellesley, Thackeray, Colonel Deek, Meredith Taylor. So it is option C, Colonel Deek. Okay. Name the Governor General who brought the law prohibiting sati system. Lord Morley, Lord Macaulay, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Cornwallis. Yes, you are right. Option C, Lord William Bentinck. Okay. Sixth question. Who was declared as the Emperor of India during the 1857 revolt? Yeah. Bahadur Shah II, Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar, Aurangzeb. So option A, Bahadur Shah II. Actually, Meerut soldiers, they did that one. Drain theory was introduced by Bipin Chandrapal, Dadabhai Nauroji, M.K. Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. So it is, yes, you are right, option B, Dadabhai Nauroji. It was founded in 1923 by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das. Socialist Party, Janata Party, Muslim League, Swaraj Party. Yes, option D, Swaraj Party. Hari Singh is associated with Jammu and Kashmir, Junagadh, Goa, Hyderabad. It is Jammu and Kashmir. Now 10th question. This problem is widely practiced to all strata of society. In every level of society it is practicing. Corruption, poverty, communalism, unemployment. So it is corruption. All the levels we can see corruption. Eye for an eye policy was followed by Dash India's foreign policy. In Dash India's foreign policy, which Prime Minister followed that? Jawaharlal Nehru and Vajpayee, Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi, Vajpayee and Shastri, Indira Gandhi and Shastri. Yes, option D, Indira Gandhi and Shastri's foreign policy, we can see eye for an eye. Next, 12th question. This country support India to have permanent seat in UNO. China, England, Russia, USA. Yes, option C, Russia. Human Rights Day is celebrated every year on December 10th, November 10th, August 10th, December 11th. It is December 10th. It aims at improving the science, education, culture of the world and preserving the world heritage. That is UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, FAO. So that is option A, UNESCO. Next, 15th question. Which one is not the form of social stratification? Primitive, estate, varna, labor. So primitive, estate, varna is the form, are all the three also forms of social stratification, but labor is not the form of social stratification. Option D, labor is the answer. Earning in cash or kind by providing one's manual or intellectual is called labor, equality, money, work. So it is option A, labor. Who opposed the Kaiga nuclear power plant? Shivaram Karanth, Medha Patkar, Kusuma Sarab, none of the above. So it is Shivarama Karanth. Constitutional measures to eradicate dowry system is modern mass media, people associations, prohibition of Dowry Act of 1961, role of voluntary organization. So it is option C, prohibition of Dowry Act of 1961. The largest physical division of India is Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Peninsula Plate, Coastal Plains. Yes, it is option C. Peninsula Plate is the largest and oldest also. Summer season rainfall in West Bengal. In the summer season, the rainfall in West Bengal, it is called as Kala Baisakis, Andis, coffee blossoms, mango showers. It is, yes, you are right. Option A, Kala Baisakis in West Bengal, Andis in Uttar Pradesh, and coffee blossoms in Karnataka, mango shower in Kerala. Cashew, rubber, tea, coffee are preferred crops in this soil. Laterite soil, mountain soil, alluvial soil, black soil. So it is laterite soil. Okay. 22nd question. These trees have stilt-like roots or aerial roots. Teak, mahogany, rhizophora, neem. So it is rhizophora. The Sundari tree, same. Sundari, rhizophora, etc. Longest river of India among these: Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra, Godavari. So it is, yes, option A, Ganga. Godavari is the longest river of South India. Patch of forest is cleared and burnt and cultivated till fertility of soil is reduced is called shifting agriculture, sedentary agriculture, irrigation, commercial agriculture. So it is shifting agriculture. Okay. 25th question. In India, the first railway line was laid between Bombay and Thane, Pune and Thane, Goa and Mangalore, Bombay and Satara. Yes, you are right. Option A, Bombay and Thane. Modern iron and steel industry in India was started in 1874 at Serampur, Kulti, West Bengal, Mumbai, Karwar. So it is Kulti in West Bengal. Southwest monsoon winds causes intensive coastal erosion along the dash coast of India. East coast, west coast, south coast, northwest coast. So it is a west coast of India because southwest monsoon hit the west coast. Yeah. It is not human development indicator. Life expectancy, educational achievements, standard of life, poverty. Here, poverty is not the human development indicator. So option D, poverty is answer. Next question. Identify the feature of Panchayat Raj. Three-tier system, qualification, cooperative, Swarajya. So it is a three-tier system is the feature of Panchayat Raj system. Overdraft facility is available for this bank account: saving bank account, current bank account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account. So option B, current bank account is having overdraft facility. The State Commission entertains the complaints of less than 20 lakh, 20 lakh to 1 crore, more than 1 crore, none of the above. So state 20 lakh to 1 crore. Less than 20 lakh it is district, and national level more than 1 crore. So here state level, state commission 20 lakh to 1 crore. 32nd question. The people from Holland or Netherlands are Dutch, French, English, Portuguese. From Holland or Netherlands, Dutch. The death of Maratha strong man who was a major setback to Marathas. He was Narayan Rao, Madhavrao first, Madhavrao second, Raghunath Rao. So that is Madhavrao first. 34th question. Who created the post of Superintendent of Police? So Superintendent of Police was created by Lord Macaulay, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Irwin, Lord Cornwallis. So it is option D, Lord Cornwallis. British entered into the agreement tri-party alliance in First Anglo-Mysore War with Sikh and Maratha, Marathas and Mysore Wadir, Nizam and French, Marathas and Nizam. So it is option D, Marathas and Nizam. British, Marathas and Hyderabad Nizam form the tri-party alliance. 36th question. Loyalty of a person towards his own state or region is called as terrorism, regionalism, communalism, corporate strategy. So it is option B, regionalism, which is not related to our foreign policy. World cooperation, world peace, racial equality, colonialism. So option D, colonialism, is not our foreign policy. Total UN member countries. So in the United Nations, total how many number of countries are there? So here 194, 195, 193, 190. So option C, 193, 193. Subhash Chandra Bose Airport is in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore. So it is option C, Kolkata. Okay. Next, last question. This is very essential to lodge a complaint in consumer forum. Which is so essential? Fees, signature of the higher authority, signature of witness, bill of the purchased goods. So option D, bill of the purchased goods, is very important one to complaint. So bill we have to take every time. So this is about another question paper. So with another question paper will come soon. So tomorrow another question paper will come. So thank you. Wish you all the best.